Hi friends, welcome to Nagazenge with Samyal. Today we are going to see a very healthy video. I am going to cook 2 kgs of sardine fish without oil. This is a specialty in this video. First I like to clean all the fishes. First I have taken about 2 kgs of fishes and I am cleaning one by one all the fishes in this water. I like to put a slit inside the fish and take it out all the waste from the fish, and then I clean all the fishes once or twice in the water and I will keep it aside. Now I will prepare a masala for this fish fry. I have taken red chili powder, pepper powder, turmeric powder and salt. Mix all this powder like a paste, and you can mix the sardine fish in this paste and you can marinate it for more than 2 to 3 hours. How long you're marinating the fish gives more taste. After 2 to 3 hours, I like to keep a pan and I am placing a banana leaf over the non-stick pan. Now I am placing all the fishes one by one nearby it, not on the top of all the fishes but nearby all the fishes. You have to place it one by one. You have to steam all the fishes for more than 10 to 15 minutes. Often you should not flip it all the fishes so that the fish get broken. Now I have placed all the fishes one by one nearby it. Now I am taking a big lemon sized tamarind water and I am putting all the tamarind water one by one on the top of all the fishes with the help of a spoon. While we are putting this tamarind water on the top of the fish gives a very yummy taste with little lime when we eat. After applying all the tamarind water on top of all the fishes, allow it to steam it well. This tamarind water gives a very limey taste when we eat, so it feels very good. Already we have given all the masala coating. After that, now we are going to put some coriander powder on top of all the fishes and then little bit of turmeric powder on top of all the fishes, and again the second coating of pepper powder on top of all the fishes. So this fresh powder gives a very yummy taste. For the cooling climate, after giving the spicy touch over all these fishes, we have to keep a lid and close all the fishes, allow it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Now the oil gets extracted from the fish through the banana leaves, so it gives a very good taste. So those who like to have diet, or those who like to be lean, or those who are very health conscious can follow this method. See how much of oil has been extracted from the banana leaf. It gives a very good taste. Once if you eat this fish, you will never forget this taste. Again and again you will try this kind of recipe in your house. After 10 minutes, you have to flip all the fishes one by one for the second time. So don't often flip the fishes so that the fish get broken. So again and again I am telling this. The fish gives a very spicy taste. So now somebody cooks for us sitting nearby us, and if they are cooking for us and if you are sitting by them and we are eating it very hot, if it is served hot, it gives a very good taste. Again in another method, if we can take all these fishes and mix it with a white rice, and if you eat this, it gives a very good taste. See how it looks. Whenever you eat this fish, or if you say this fish get tempered very easily, the banana leaves flavor get insides very well. The fish flavor also get inside the banana leaf, and the oil extracts automatically. We have not even put a single drop of oil in a fish. The fish also gets very cooked very well. If we fry the fish in oil, it looks so dry, but we now in this procedure we have steamed it very well. Now it's time to serve. Friends, if you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thanks for watching, friends.